Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Norwood. This is episode number 8 for me. And first I'm going to share you what I used to make each card, and then I'll show you the card that I made, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So I used glossy accents. I used some Distress Oxide and Milled Lavender. I used some of this organza ribbon in this purple color. Does it say the name of it? Let's see. No, it does not say the name, but it's this really pretty purple or lilac. Okay. And then I used my little Tim Holtz distress maker for your paper. I love this gadget. I used this stamp set from Not Too Shabby Shop. It's called Blooming into Spring. Trying to see if this next one, okay. This next one is a stamp by Crepe Paper, and it's Maggie Holmes, and it's called Fight Flourish. And I used this one right here. Next, I used this Tilda called Tilda with Stuffed Animal, and she's holding a little lamb. She is so cute, guys. I used this Creative Time die scallop stitch oval dies. They look like that. I used this flower tag die that I got on Amazon. I used the small one, and then I used the little flower tab that goes on it, decorative tab. I used the Spellbinders Nestabilities die. It's called Big Scalloped Ovals. And I used the largest one. I used some Bow Bunny doilies. I used one of these. I used some Stampin' Up! Jewels Basic Pearls. And then I pulled this from my vault. Downton Abbey. It's called Luxury Paper Pad. It just says Official Merchandise from Crafter's Companion. And it is such beautiful paper, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is the first time I've ever used it. And then I used some flowers from Wild Orchid Crafts. And then I used some lace that I had got from Tina Bean, who's my BFF. And I used some corrugated card that I got from Michael's when they used to have them. Alright, and here it is. I had fun making her, and she took me 2 days to make, and I like how it turned out with all the layering. Oh, I also used some chalks. Where are they? For the cheeks. I don't know if you're interested to know that, but I always use this pink by Pebbles. It's called Classic Chalks. If you find it, usually you can find them on eBay. But I use that for her cheeks. But that's how it came out, and then I did the inside. But that is her. I hope you like her. Okay, so let's go to the second card I made. So I used the Glitter Dust Iridescent. I used some Distress Ink and Tea dye. I used some Crepe Paper Maggie Holmes, another floor stamp set. I think I used this. Yes, I used the sentiment right there. Okay, I used this Waffle Flowers sentiment set called Sisterhood. They have such cute sentiments on this. You might want to freeze it and read it and see if you want to get it. It's really cute. I used my infinity dies from Hero Arts, the rectangles. Then I used these Craft a Card, Crafter's Companion, Desire dies. And I used, which one did I use? I used this one right here. These are great. I love these dies. And then I used this die here by Penny Black. And she is called Carrot Collector. Isn't she cute? I love her. I made 2 cards with her this for this week. So here she is. I used Copics to color her. This is All Things Grow with Love. And Seriously Love You, Sister. Happy Easter. That's my inside. So I hope you like her. So, okay, so there's that. Okay, on to the next card. I used some of this twine, the jute twine. I used some of this really pretty blue organza ribbon, like a teal. I used some Distress ink and Vintage Photo. I used this die by Tim Holtz. It's called Stacked Decal. I used this stamp here, Magnolia Tilda, called Cowboy Tilda. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I just recently got her. I showed her in a haul. And then I opened this one that I had got recently. It's called Cosmo Cricket Wanted Mini Deck. And this paper is so cute. Love it. And then I used some ribbon from Michael's that came on one of those bundles you could purchase for $9.99. And then I used a button from my stash. And this is, I used Copics to color her. And this is what I came up with. And I got some help from BFF Tina Bean, because I could not come up with an idea for her. So this is what I got. I picked the paper and she helped me with the little button. And then I just left the inside blank for now. She's cute. Okay, my next one. I used some Wink of Stella Clear. I used a Distressed Oxide Kitsch Flamingo. I used some enamel dots with the pink. I used this Stephanie Bernard framelits called Dotted Ovals. Let's see, what are these called? Stitch Stackers by Penny Black. I used the largest one. I used, what is the name of this one? Showers of Joy by La La Land Crafts. I just recently got this. And I used the duck down here with the umbrella. Then I pulled out this Garden Party by Pebbles paper pad. And I used this one with the umbrella right here. Isn't that cute? And this is what I came up with. Isn't that stinking cute? And then I use the sentiment, "You're my umbrella on a rainy day." Something to cheer somebody up one day. And then my last card, again, I use the Distressed Ink tea dye. I use some Stickles in the Diamond. I use some of this cheesecloth and blush that I got from Hobby Lobby. I use some of these flowers from the Paper Studio. Really cute. Again, I use some flowers from Wild Orchid Crafts. I use some dies that I got from Coco Rosa, I believe, and it's double stitched rectangles. And then I used my little edger again from Tim Holtz. I used, what's the name of this one? Dear Ruby stamp set by Spellbinders. I love this, so cute. I finally used it for the first time. And then I used some Copics. And I used, again, that carrot collector image. And I used some ribbon from Michaels from the $9.99. You can get the bundle. And I used the corrugated, what do you call this? The corrugated cards. And this is what I came up with. I think she's so cute. So I wonder, which card is your favorite? Well, guys, thank you for watching and coming to my channel. I hope you like everything. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, love you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.